So we've progressed with Michael's actual elevation now, and Michael still has a bit of impedance of elevating his arm through 90 degrees. He labors with a bit of disconnect still in the scapulothoracec region and still with the force couple. So what I've done is I've adjusted the height, and we have the base of the UE Ranger in here, which is a matter of just inserting it into the frame. And then what we want to do is have the patient maintain contact. So it's somewhat of a closed chain support. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to work from his level of success. So in the neighborhood of approximately 80 degrees where he's still doing well, and then slightly through 90 degrees. And we're looking at that as a training interval. We try just to progress through his successes, condition those with appropriate strengthening and conditioning, and then we build forward, just in normal therapy. It's simply utilizing the tool to work with the nervous system and the appropriate graded progressions. And so Michael will show now that he's elevating, and here's where we want to take into application the full upper extremity. So we want that humerus to guide into external rotation to clear that acromion. And in that context, we're working the external rotators and the whole kinetic chain. Michael, I ask you to put your left foot just a little bit forward. Now, what I found to be helpful with bringing on the lower trapezius as a person's elevating is to actually just think like he's hugging someone. So we'll use just his left arm, but just the act of out and around, like a circumduction, activates really nicely the lower trapezius. And so he's finding that muscle, and as I demonstrated earlier, I could be providing manual support and just can really become specific with his actual needs and providing that support such that, again, the nervous system can work with it.